Hey guys, it's Addy. Today I have a cool recipe for you. It's my jalapeno ranch dressing. Let's pick up the flavor. Alright, the ingredients that we're going to need today are 1/4 of a cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of mayo, 3/4 cup of buttermilk, and 1.5 tablespoons of my jalapeno ranch seasoning. Alright, we're going to start off by putting in our sour cream. Followed by our mayo. And our buttermilk. And lastly, we're going to put in we're now going to whisk everything together. What I love about making my own ranch dressing is the fact that everything's fresh compared to what you get in the stores. Who knows how long that stuff has been on the shelf and all the different additives they've put into it. And just whisk away. Ooh, I'm starting to like this. This has the perfect ranch consistency. All right, now that we're done with making the ranch dressing, we're gonna get on to our jalapeno ranch wings. Just wanted to share with you a quick tip that I do with a lot of my proteins. I like to soak it in apple cider vinegar and water just to get some of the impurities out. As you can tell, look at this chicken, all the stuff that's coming off of it. I know majority of the time they say don't wash it. I don't believe that. I like to clean and get out all the impurities as much as possible. That we have our wings dried off. We want to make sure it's dry, and then we want to be able to put in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and what that's going to do is allow the skin to crisp up in the air fryer. All right, we're gonna set our air fryer on at 29 minutes. Just the first 3 minutes, we're gonna let the air fryer warm up, and then we're gonna toss our wings in to cook for the remaining 26 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what I like to do. I like to go every 5 minutes and shake it all up so I can get it to crisp up nicely. So it looks like the wings are just about done. Take a look at this color. OMG. All right, we're gonna go ahead and take it out, and then we are going to season our chicken. So what we're gonna do now is we're going to add just a little bit of olive oil, and then use our Addy jalapeno seasoning, and just season liberally. And this is, you season it to your taste. And we're gonna toss this. So a little bit more. On the bit. Oh man, this looks delicious. All right, guys, here's the finished product of our jalapeno ranch dressing with the jalapeno ranch wings. This looks awesome. I can't wait to try this out. Man, which one am I gonna get? Yeah, I'm a flats guy. Good.